Hi, my name is Maggie Varney, and I'm the founder and CEO of Wigs for Kids. And today you're joining me on our Bonanza Raffle Day. We have had a raffle going on which just started at the beginning of the month to help us garner support for our new wellness center. It is actually our capital campaign. So we have outgrown our current facility, and we were trying to come up with ways where it would be a win-win. So you have the opportunity to contribute, and 100% of the proceeds goes to Wigs for Kids, and it's $30 a ticket, and you can order those online, or you can also stop in at the Wellness Center and purchase them. And today is the first drawing of our tickets, and we are really excited about this today. And this is an example of our building, our model that we're going to be, our vision and dream is to build our new forever home for the children. We've done this through selling the Bonanza raffle tickets, and we also have stars that we are selling for our Galaxy with your name on them for $500 each, and that also 100% of that goes into our wellness center, our new wellness center home for our kids. And there's our giving tree, because you know we appreciate any amount. And so we certainly appreciate the people who have stopped in and signed their name and helped us to support this program and grow it. So I'm going to ask Miss Devin Marie to join me, if you would now, for our first drawing. This is kind of exciting. If you could shake those up real well. All right. And Devin is one of our great volunteers, and who happens to be a wonderful family niece of mine. And I'm very blessed to have her here today volunteering. So, all right, turn your head. Okay, draw. The first one is for $100. So let's see who's the lucky winner. Annette, E-L-Z-E-R-M-A-N. We will be contacting you through our Facebook and by phone, and the winners will be announced there. Okay, let's try this again. Let's shake them up real good. All right, let's do another one. Okay. And this is for $125. Mary Sarchek, who happens to serve on our advisory board of Wigs for Kids. That's great. Okay, let's do this again. This is for $150. Paulina Haas. This happens to be the mother of one of our ambassadors, one of our kids who lives right here in the community. And this is a great example of how our families give back. Thank you. One more for the big one, $200. Okay. Ron Frederick, who serves on our board of directors. Oh my goodness, this is great. Thank you, Devin. Yes. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We will have these drawings for the next 27 weeks, and it is a 28-week program, and there's 4 winners each week. And even though these people have won, their name will go back in the drawing, and they get to have the opportunity to win again. And there's grand prizes and midway prizes, so please visit our website, check it out, go check out our Facebook page, and find out how you too can be a winner for Wigs for Kids. Thank you.